little things.
Friends, today we are going to learn how to write English alphabets in capital letters. So let us start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you like this video. Keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning. If you like this video, then please spread the word. Like, share and subscribe.